Time to check out your tropical forecast. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Iskovitz. We're going to cover weather around the Gulf, the beautiful Caribbean, and weather and destinations where you may be traveling either by air or by sea. So right now, the satellite view as of this Wednesday is showing lots of rain around Florida. That's associated with an area of low pressure that's right there. That's what we call an upper level low. Also down around Cancun, we have some big time thunderstorms that have fired up through the course of the day today. They should settle down, I think, a bit over the next 12 hours or so as we head toward Wednesday night or early Thursday, but definitely something to be aware of. Over here in Florida, it's been now 2 days, about 2.5 days of an area of low pressure there, soaking the Sunshine State. So maybe you're watching us from Florida, maybe you have a cruise planned out of Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Port Canaveral. Any of these spots, you will be in for some off and on downpours today and probably tomorrow, and very windy conditions at times off the east coast of the U.S. as well. Here's the big picture of what this spinning area of low pressure looks like. It's over the Florida Panhandle, pulling up a lot of moisture here into Florida and over parts of the Bahamas, especially the northern Bahamas. Wind speeds right now are not extreme, but we do have some of them above 20 miles per hour, which is going to create some bumpy conditions out there at times. In the Bahamas over the next few days, look for high temperatures in the 80s, but of course, we have tons of humidity there in the Bahamas as well. So high temperatures in the 80s, but with windy conditions and some occasional showers passing by as well. Let's talk about what to expect if you're getting ready to cruise. We do have a Royal Caribbean ship that's getting ready to leave from Galveston Island on Thursday, and that's going to be heading down to the Yucatan. Wave heights for today and tomorrow across the Gulf, about 3 to 4 feet. That is not bad at all. However, if you are traveling or maybe you're watching us from the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, we actually have wave heights about 7 to 10 feet across parts of the Caribbean Sea. And for many of you down here in the Windward Islands of the Caribbean, it is a little bit bumpy out there, but again, nothing that's too unusual for this time of the year. Water temperatures are rising across the Gulf, about 81 to 83 degrees. Later on this summer, they'll be closer to about 86 or 87. But for right now, we're definitely warming up across the Caribbean Sea. Also roughly the same, about 83 to 84 degrees. And so if you're hitting the beaches over here around Cozumel or Tulum, Riviera Maya, those water temperatures are in the low 80s. It should be pretty comfortable. The outlook for Cancun, we have those thunderstorms that I mentioned have been firing up today. Heading into Thursday, some cloudy skies at times, 89, more sunshine and looking hot down in the Yucatan coming up on Friday. For Puerto Rico, we're looking for high temperatures in the middle 80s for the next few days. It will be windy and, by the way, also hazy conditions with some of that Saharan dust still covering your area. Finally, let's end with our Fox weather model. This is exclusive to Fox here, which is showing some rainy weather continuing there for Florida for the next 24 hours or so. But really, as we take a look at this weekend, heading into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm happy to tell you that there's nothing significant coming in for the Windward, Leeward Islands, the Greater Antilles, or heading over to the Yucatan or the Gulf. Everything is looking fairly quiet. Thank you very much for tuning in with us here, streaming for you. With your daily tropical update from Fox 26 in Houston. Be sure to follow us on our YouTube page, and if you can, download our Fox Local app. If not, you can check in with us on YouTube for your daily tropical update. Enjoy your day.